Hey guys, so right now I'll be unboxing this item I just bought from Amazon, and this one cost me about 59 Canadian dollars. It's one of the cheapest in the list, but I just wanted to test it out because I want to use its microphone when I'm kind of singing because I like to sing, but then I need some effects, right? So I got this professional condenser microphone with patented audio reference companding. I don't know what that means. For crystal clear sound, legendary vocal condenser microphone, and it's just the same on the back. And yeah, so let me open this. This one is made from China, and then let me open it and show you what's inside. Again, this is one of the cheapest in the market. This one comes with like a cheap earphone set or piece right there, some a USB cord, and comes with this I will do with that later, and comes with this piece. I think this is like a shock absorber or something, so you put this on the mic, so even if you touch the or bump the mic, it doesn't really create that loud thump sound. And we have this what do you call this again? It's for the microphone. It's a microphone cord. Also comes with this clamp. So this is what you can use to attach your microphone stand onto your table. We have another cord here. This one seemed unwounded already, so I don't know if this is a return item that I'm getting. And then another cord, so I've got two cords already, or three or four, including the microphone cord. So four. I have an instruction manual here. I have the microphone foam, like the guard, and then of course the mic. This thing seemed opened, like previously opened. I hope it works. Oh man. So it connects like that. I think this is the easiest thing to do. There, it connects like that. And then of course we have the microphone stand or holder, which is also open already, I think, right? So let's take all the pieces out. Oh, there you go. And then we have this little box, which is called, I don't see, oh here, sound card live sound card user manual. So I'll figure this out, and I'll show you how it works, okay? Now for the microphone, I'm just guessing this. It's not even in the manual, guys. It's a terrible manual. And so just using the screw, just that part, and then this guy here should go there. You have to screw it in. Just be gentle. It's made in China. Don't want to really break. Oh, there you go. Alright, now you put up that part or that neck, and then there you go. Tighten it a little bit, and then that's where the mic actually goes. Okay. Oh, I have to take this cord out, I guess. Just connect it again. Nice right there, and then breaking it. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you the basic setup of for the microphone. First, of course, it comes with the microphone itself right there. It came with the microphone cover, which I just put on top of it like that. And then I put the microphone on the, what do you call this, the shock mount, which I connected to the actual microphone stand. It is a desktop microphone stand because you can actually just attach it to your desk right there on the side of your desk, and it came with also the clip or the clamp right there. So it's basic operation, basic how do you say that, it's very easy to connect to the table right there. So you basically just turn this thing until it tightens up there, and then yeah, so make sure it's already secured. I don't know that I don't think that will be an issue for you guys. It's very easy to set up. And of course your cord, the microphone cable or the cord also came with it, and of course the pop filter right there. All right, and then I'll show you the actual setup for the box. I mean, I'm a beginner. If some of you are a beginner, don't be intimidated by all this cables sticking out of the sound card. Again, this is a sound card V8. It's I would say it's one of the cheapest in the market out there, but it's decent. I mean, it's not the high-end one, but for like less than $100, I believe it's like 60 Canadian dollars. It's not bad. Okay, it came with all the cables, all this microphone setup, as I've shown you a while ago when I took them out from the box. And the cable or the wires, don't get intimidated. It's very easy. There's only 4 of them right there, 4 coming out. All right, let me show you which ones are this, what cords are these ones. Okay, first, this is the microphone. Okay, microphone cord. So microphone, this one is your headphone. I'm using my own headphone, I'm not using the one that came with it. Okay, so again, this is the microphone, headphone, cell phone, the white one. So I used, because I have an iPhone, I'm using like a converter like this one. If you have an iPhone, you need this one. You have to buy it separately, or you have to have one separately. So again, microphone, headphone, cell phone, and the computer or laptop. What do these cords do? Of course, the microphone is for your audio to come in to the box. This is the sound card. So audio comes in, audio comes out to your microphone, obviously, I mean to your headphone, obviously. And this one here is the charging port. Actually, as you can see, it's just a charging port right there. But this is also the if this one is for your audio to come into the box, this is for the audio, like the sound, like the background music, let's say a song, to go into the box. And this one is for out, right, to your headphone. What does the white one do? That does, okay, the white one that connects to your phone gathers all the sounds coming from your voice and coming from the laptop, and then when you're mixing all the sounds and all that effects and stuff, it goes out to this cord to your cell phone, that that connects to your cell phone. And when you are doing a video recording, you are actually recording the sounds from your microphone, from the laptop, let's say the music, the song, and then you're recording yourself. Let's say the camera is on, you're recording yourself plus the audio from the sound card. See, and you're hearing it through your headphone. You won't hear it coming out from your laptop. You'll be hearing it on your headphone. So that's basically it. Very, very easy. Okay, I'm gonna show you how it works. Oh, by the way, when you are recording, when you start recording on your phone, make sure, this is number one tip, make sure that your cell phone volume is turned down, or else you won't hear the sound coming from the laptop or your computer. Turn your volume down, your cell phone's volume down, lowest level. All right, guys? And then also your laptop's volume should be turned down. Okay, so both. Here we go. Now I'm going to connect it to my phone, okay?
Now you should be hearing me through the microphone, which is going into the sound card. So if the echo is too high, I'm going to lower it down. Again, as I've said, lower the volume of your cell phone or else you won't hear the music, the background music. Okay, so the background music will be coming from the laptop. Okay, I'll play the song right now. This is a song by Daniel Bertol. You can control the volume of the background music by using the backing track. That's the maximum. Okay. I'll just have I'll put some echo. Right? I'll lower the volume of the sound, the background music. Too loud, I'm not hearing my voice. So lower the volume of the background music so you can hear your voice. And then just mix and match. Right? You can put a higher volume for your echo, or this is the master control actually monitor, and I think it's the highest level. Okay, so that's basically how it works, guys. Again, three phones. First is the microphone. Second is headphone, earphone. Third is your cell phone. Last is your laptop. For the music, for recording, for hearing, and for talking, singing. Right? Basically that's it. And then there's some sound effects that come with sound card, like laughter. I'll just show you some of them. Okay, here's one laughter. If you're doing a loud and you want like a fake audience applause or a giggle, let's say a gunshot or gunshots. That's how it works, guys. Basically, it's very basic. First I was really the concept, and when I understood the concept, the four wires. That's it. It's very easy, even for a beginner such as me. It's very easy to understand. All right, guys. So I hope you understood my very basic instruction here about the sound card. Sound card comes with